Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajila Ukanrat Sangma, Ubadiru National President ke National People's Party. Hakasngi balang uloong bagi NPP ketemu ban penia re keseng ha Assam, dak ba Pynïakhun ke Ilekshon MLA ke ban Selongshan ha Assam. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor Ukanrat uloong bagi NPP keempat juya khun Ilekshon ha Assam hakipor balalet. Uloong ba yakan ikarai ban jiet diki kertong naki constituency kalong naki jingyai bot dien banyakran bat kinong yalam hakitu kithan. Kibalapan iya ke jingkwa jongki Pynïakhun ke parti NPP. Ulapan skam ba umyo iya ke kum ke jing persang ke batang Sien, Henry kum ke jingyai lindi ke bayai beting. Ulapan pau syuk-syuk ba ukermen ba ke parti kan lat bandrung ha Assam, ha ke Ilekshon bat banang yai kiyo hadian habut.
Of course, that has always aspired to expand our base in different parts of the northeast. Assam, we have not expanded in the past. We felt that there were certain constituencies where we were in touch with some of the leaders for a long time and they had shown interest. And based on that, we took the decision to field a few candidates. Let us hope we don't look at political journey from just one election point of view. For us, it's a process, it's a commitment that we're making, and we are starting a commitment towards the state of Assam. We will continue to move forward, and we hope that we will be able to open an account in this election in Assam.